Previously on designing my dream house.
Alright, so we came to a conclusion that the house is going to be U-shaped. It's going to have a plunge pool in the back. It's going to be simple and not too big.
Along with art, I love architecture and interior designing, but I'm not trained in any of these fields. I always want to know what my house would look like in the future, so I choose to do this as a fun hobby, to look for designs I like, and I'm going to do it with you guys. You can follow along. Just note, my focus is never on material things but my soul. These are two of the pictures that we looked at the last time, so these two are my inspiration. And last time we looked at a few U-shaped houses, and these are they. No, these are just for inspiration. I would definitely want something a bit more modern in terms of roofing, style, etc. My best bet would be on this one here, being that I would want the art room being a bit separate from the house itself. But we'll see how that goes at the end. So what we want to look at today is plunge pool design, the style of house that I want, and the back and front yard. Now if the video gets too long, this would have to be a part 1 and a part 2. Alright, so let's get into it. Well guys, we're going to start with a blank canvas here. So what we're doing first is to look at upstairs and downstairs house design, because I always wanted an upstairs and downstairs and downstairs houses. Yeah, so I always want
look at these cartoon images.
So that is what we're going to look at first, upstairs and downstairs houses. Alright, come again, let's try this again. Upstairs and downstairs courtyard houses. Alright, so far I'm not seeing anything that I really like. Alright guys, we're going to switch from Google and try to go into Pinterest. Upstairs and downstairs houses with a plunge pool courtyard. They're giving me like the plan. I don't want the plan. 2 level houses. No, this is not it either. I'm not seeing anything, so I'm gonna go back on Google. What I really want is like the outside design of the houses. Alright, so here what, I'm not finding what I really want. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna look at the type of plunge pool that I want. Okay, so these are some of the plunge pools.
This is a little bit too small.
This one is nice. I always wanted a pool that can close up, something like this. So this is a good one. So I'm going to open image in a new tab. So I wanted a pool that can close up to prevent mosquitoes from laying eggs in the pool, or my children going in the pool without permission. Let's type in that then, plunge pool designs with a covering. It's not this type of covering. It's not that type of covering. What would you call that? Pool that closes. Alright, let's type in pool that closes. No, this is not what I want either. Pool that closes automatically. Alright, so this could be one example. This is a nice one. Good. This one almost look like a plunge pool, so something like this, very simple. Image in a new tab. I think I would prefer the boarded ones because you can sit on it, you can still put a chair on it or something like that. I'm going to put wooden pool that closes automatically with a wooden closure. I don't know what to type really. Alright, something like this one, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna open that in a new tab. This is the one I'm talking about. So it's a plunge pool. It has like a deck like where you can put chairs and stuff, and you can even close it and still leave the chairs on it, so it would be strong enough. So this is it, my peeps. This is it. Open a new tab. Alright guys, so this is the conclusion for the pool. It's going to be a plunge pool with a covering. It's not going to be like a plastic covering. It's going to be like a deck covering. I don't know the word for automatic wooden covering, so I would just call it that. So we have the pool down in terms of design. So now we are going to look at the style of house. I was typing a few earlier, but I wasn't getting what I wanted. I'm not sure what to type. I'm gonna type in courtyard houses with pools. And I'm looking for like something with like a upstairs and downstairs. This is a good one. You have a upstairs and a downstairs, but this is just one. This is just one level here, but you have a upstairs and downstairs here also. So probably I should click on the ones below this and see. This one look like a nice one. So upstairs and downstairs, and it has a pool, right? I'm going to open image in a new tab. I also like houses with like, what you call that, columns. Yes, columns. I like these columns here, and this is a nice one too, you know. Let me open in a new tab. Let me see if I can see any more like that. This one is a nice one. I like these. We're looking at the exterior now, where how the plunge pool would look with the upstairs and downstairs house, and the house should have a columns, I should say. Well, all houses have columns, but if you look right here, this doesn't have the columns that I pointed out earlier, so I wouldn't want that, if you understand what I mean. I hope I'm making sense. This one does not have the columns that I showed you, so I wouldn't want that. Alright, here what I'm going to do. I'm going to type in, should I type in houses with columns? I want to see how the front part of my house would look, and I have an idea what for the back. I'm just gonna type in houses and see something with columns. Balcony, houses with balconies. Alright, we're getting somewhere now. Houses with balconies. I don't like my house to be so much levels. I don't like it. I don't like seeing it. Like for example, this one here, it has a bottom level here and another level here. I don't like this. I don't like that. I want it just be one straight thing. I'm gonna see if I can find it. Probably something like this, just one straight level like that. Let's see if anything is similar. Probably like this. They have the columns there, and then you have it's just one straight level. I don't want that. Oh my god, these are they. Look at these. Yes, these are the style of houses that I want. Look at this new tab.
Oh my, yes, me friend. Alright, look at this one. You see how it have so much levels down here, so up here, so aside this, back this, around this. No.
I don't like that. I do not like that. Sorry about that. But what was chipping in. Let me see if I can go back to the ones that I love. So I'm going back, and here it is. Here are a few of them. Oh, far can I go back? Alright, so I click on that one. What if I... Oh my Jesus! Yes, Jesus love me. Oh my god, open a new tab. This is it, my peeps. This is it. This is the style of house that I want. It's so pocket full of cute. Oh my god. So what I'm thinking now, the U shape, so this would be long, a bit wider, then the U shape would go back. Oh yes, my friend. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, look at this, tucked in, full of goodness. New tab. Oh my god. Let me go back because they're changing now. Plain and simple. I don't want nothing too fussy. Alright, so we have an idea. We have an idea. So let's look at the houses that we select thus far. Alright, so this is the idea. It's the U shape with the plunge pool in the middle and the cover up. It's gonna be the cover up pool. The back part with the columns, I like that also. These are the types of houses that I'm looking for. Simple, plain, clean, flat, one level thing. This is beautiful. I like this one. I think this is the best one. Let's see. This is also cute. This one is the best one. I think I wouldn't want these two at the top though. No, I don't think I would want something like this at the top. But this one, yes, this is it right here. Alright, so now let's check back on what we said we're looking for, right? So U shape, we got that down. Plunge pool, we got that down. The tile of house, we have that. Yes, the back and front yard, we haven't looked exactly at the back and the backyard. All right, let's save the backyard for our next time because it's gonna be way too long. But let's just do a quick review. So if I'm building my dream house, it's gonna have a cover up pool with the wooden covering over it. Something exactly, no, not really exactly, but extremely close to this one here. It's going to have columns like this. Pool is going to be in the center like that with a cover up, and it's going to be a U shape. So just like this. So this is U shaped, but I don't like the sides here and the sides here. So that would be a next video. So this one here is very much what I want, but in terms of modern, it's not as modern. So I definitely would like it to be more modern. So guys, I will leave the backyard and the exact backyard that I want for next time. What is your dream? How does your dream house look? What do you like? Come on guys, let us just find out what we really like and go for it. It's okay to dream, okay to pick up an hobby. It's okay to just put things together just to see what you like and what works. All right, so guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.